Hey there, friends. Today, we're making something truly unique. A puffy cheese pizza with no yeast, no baking powder, no baking soda, and no kneading. Let's get started. Let's start with the dough. Pour 100 milliliters of water into a bowl. Add 5 grams of salt and 5 grams of sugar. Sugar helps to balance the salt and aids in browning the crust. Mix until the sugar is completely dissolved as well. Add 200 grams of pizza flour and drizzle in 10 grams of olive oil. Start combining the ingredients with a spatula before getting your hands in there. Stretch the dough in different directions and form a ball. This ensures even elasticity and prepares it for rolling out. Sprinkle the table with flour. This prevents sticking and makes it easier to roll out the dough. Place the ball of dough and roll it out as thin as possible. Aim for paper thin to achieve a perfect crust. The length of the dough should be about twice as long as the width. All right, pizza detectives, pay close attention. We need to measure out our dough for the next step. Grab that round mold you were thinking of, a big lid, a pie dish, anything works. This time though, we're using our trusty bowl again. See how it covers about half the length? Now comes the cheesy magic. Scatter your favorite sliced cheese on half the rolled out dough. This is where it gets clever. Grab your bowl, turn it upside down, and press it firmly onto the cheese. See how the edges form a perfect circle? Genius, right? We don't need fancy cookie cutters here. Fold the rest of the cheese right over the top. Now comes the big reveal. We're going to use the other half of the dough to completely enclose our cheesy creation. Another round of bowl magic to seal the deal. Press down hard to connect the 2 dough sheets. Get rid of any excess dough around the edges, and voila! A round pizza base with a hidden cheese surprise inside. Transfer that beauty to a baking sheet and get ready to customize. We're going for a creamy base today, so spread some sauce with love. Top it off with your favorite toppings. We're feeling a classic combo of Gouda cheese, mushrooms, green onions, and sausage. A few basil leaves wouldn't hurt either. Into the oven it goes. Attention, behold that beautiful golden crust. It's definitely worth subscribing and liking. And don't forget, the hidden cheese layer is just waiting to be devoured.